Good morning students, we are doing exercise 11.2. Draw a circle of radius 6 cm from a point 10 cm away from its center. Construct the pair of tangents to the circle and measure their length. Give the justification of the construction. For this, we will draw first a rough diagram. Their center is O and radius is 6 cm, and we take point 10 cm away from the center and we draw two tangents. Okay. Now for this, you can check. We will take a center O, and from here we will draw a circle of radius 6 cm. Center O, draw a circle of 6 cm. Now locate a point P 10 cm away from O. This is point P. This is point P, and look here, we will draw the perpendicular bisector of OP line. For that we will draw a arc. We will take more than half of AP. We will take a more than half of OP and cut arc from O and P and join these intersections. This perpendicular bisector cut the OP line at a point that will be M. Now you take M as a center and OM as a radius and draw a circle. This circle cut the previous circles at 2 points. This point you can mark Q and P. This is Q and this is P. Now you join QP. And similarly join PR. Now this QP and PR are the tangents of the circles. Now look here, we join this PQ and PR. PQ and PR are the required tangents. The length of tangents PQ and PR we will measure by scale. We will get 8 cm each. The construction can be justified by proving that PQ PR are the tangents to the circle. Look here angle PQO is an angle in the semicircle. We know that the angle in a semicircle is a right angle. So angle PQO equal to 90 degree. So OQ is perpendicular to PQ. Since OQ is a radius of circle, PQ has the tangents to the circle. Similarly, PR the tangent of the circle. Thank you.